It is always to the student's advantage when applying to Reed or a lot of selective institutions to take the hardest class available. We are a little bit more generous in some respects to grade point average. We find a 4.0 in a lesser strata of classes very unimpressive. What we find much more impressive is, good success, B+, A-, A level work in more rigorous classes, mainly because it shows both initiative from the student, but also shows a certain kind of capability and performance in intellectual rigor arenas and in kind of ambition as well, just kind of self-motivated students. So, yes, when AP courses are available, or international baccalaureate curriculum available, or even just honors level courses, they are strongly recommended, mainly because it's an indication of kind of self-motivated guidance through the college process. We are much more interested in the type of work that is taken rather than the grade that was offered. Grades are interesting in and of themselves. Grade inflation from one place, grade deflation from another place ranges greatly. As a result, what we know from one school versus another, Campbell Hall is an academically rigorous school. We understand its grading philosophy. It's much more compatible with Reed than some other schools. So we can recognize what kinds of grades are being given, but at the same time, we are much more interested in the level of kind of performance in the class as through evaluation. So, do really well in an AP course, great. Do well in an AP course and have a teacher recommendation that says the student really understands the material, really fell in love with the learning and the kind of process of achieving that level of mastery. That's what's important.